Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can log into FIFA 26 application. First of all, make sure that you've already downloaded this application. If not, simply head over to your Play Store and search for FIFA 26 Champion and you will have this application right here. Now once done, all you have to do is launch your application itself. And then you will see a page like this. In here, tap onto the screen and you will see a page like this. Tap on Log In. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up, and if you already have an account, you will get to a page like this. Here, simply type in your phone number or email address, then tap on Next. And now as you do that, all you have to do is type in your password and then tap on Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account, and if they are not, you can take the help of this link right here that says Forgot Your Password, and then get help resetting your account. This is how it's done. Thank you for watching.